Put that bench at a 45-degree angle. You could put this up if you like, if you're going to put your knees on the bench. And if they're going to go on the floor, you just put them on the floor. Go ahead and lay the dumbbells right there, lie down. Now I want your neck to clear that bench. So you go upward a little bit where you're nice and comfortable, everything's lined. Grab the dumbbells, turn your hands. Bring those elbows up, leading with the elbow. Now, you want to have your hands slightly down and really keep this elbow upward, lined up with the shoulder and a 90-degree angle. If your hands are in, it takes pressure off, and if they're too far out, different exercise. So, nice and straight, breathe in on the way down, go down all the way, extend those arms, then come up all the way up and squeeze that rear delt. Look straight, hands aren't moving around, wrists are nice and straight. And come up and squeeze. Don't waddle back and forth. Notice how he's lying down flat, spine is nice and straight, and everything looks perfect.